show you how you can quickly and easily set up QuickBooks Online for your business. And so we will just get to it here. I'm going to share my screen with you. The first thing that we really want to do is to set up our QuickBooks Online. So if you will look in the description, you will see a QuickBooks Online link. And this, if you click on that, you can set up your account right through there. And you will also receive anywhere from 20 to 30% off of your subscription. It always includes the best discount program QuickBooks Online has right now. And so that's the best way to get to it. I'm going to mark off all of that. And then once you have it set up, then you will come back to this page where it says sign in. And then we just go to QuickBooks Online. And I'm going to quickly just go into my account. Okay, here we go, guys. You want to make sure when you come in here, this is just a reminder, when you hit this gear, icon gear, that it says that you're in the accountant view. And like here, I'm in the accountant view, so it says switch to business view. If when you click on here, over here, it says you are viewing QuickBooks in business view, it will have a link to click for accountant's view. The accountant's view is a better view to actually work in your QuickBooks, where the business view would be something that you could give to someone just to take a look, at your books and not really doing the work inside of your books. It's just a good overview. And so this is just a demo that I've set up in QuickBooks Online. But the first thing was to sign up with your QuickBooks Online. The second thing is to actually connect your bank accounts. So when you're on your page on banking, here's banking. You might end up first at the dashboard like this, but then click to banking. And I already have a couple bank accounts already in here, but for your new bank account, you would just click where it says link account, hit the drop-down box, and then click manage connections. And then QuickBooks will take you through the whole process of adding different bank accounts here. And so you would just follow the steps that they have for that. And then you would get that connected. And I do offer coaching for QuickBooks Online, that if you do get hung up on any of these things, that you can reach out to me and I will work one-on-one with you to help you get everything connected correctly. Okay. And then the next thing that we want to do to get QuickBooks set up is click on your gear icon here and go over to your company and then go to accounting, account and settings. Okay, then we get in here. And I'm not going to go over each account setting, but I'll kind of briefly go over it for you, and you can edit any of these settings. Okay, it's first your company, all your company information that's that you can fill out. You can click a pencil to change any of that information and put the correct information in there. Then you'll have your billing and subscription. And this is whatever subscription that you did sign up for when you initially signed up. For this demo, I have QuickBooks Essential. I do recommend that you sign up to QuickBooks Essential as the minimum in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online Plus is the one that I prefer you to set up on, because it will take you your whole course. And then usage, that's how many users that you have in your account, how many chart of accounts, and this type of thing. And then going into your sales, this is setting up your invoices, your invoice payments, late fees, and different reminders that you can set up. And then your expenses. And then if you want, different expenses to be billed to the client, then that's where that comes in. Payments, this is where here that you can receive payments from clients directly through QuickBooks Online. And I really love that feature. Then it has time. If you want to start tracking some time, that's also available. And then an advanced or some advanced features. The one thing I will point out that I really do recommend you do is your chart of accounts, that you enable the account numbers and that you let them be shown. When you click here, enable account numbers and then show account numbers. So make sure you have that done. The third step that you're going to take, our first is sign up, our second is connect our bank accounts, and our third is our accounts and setup. And then the next thing that we're going to get done is click done here. And we're going to go down our list on the left. We're always using all these functions on the left, and some of them open up. So we're going to go to our chart of accounts. And here, this would be all of your chart accounts, your bank accounts, and these are your expense accounts, different things we have set up. So in here, you can edit the account numbers by just clicking that button, and over here, put in whatever account numbers you want that to be. You can actually say for this bank account, if you wanted to edit something or make it inactive so it doesn't show you're not going to use that account anymore, but you can click edit here, and then you can edit whatever you need to edit in here. Okay, and I'm going to cancel that. But you want to get a good chart of accounts, an organized chart of accounts, because this will make it 100% easier and simpler for you to go through your income and transactions. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do that is more fun to you is go to sales and then go to our clients or customers. You can name your customers clients, customers, different things, whatever you call your customers. And so here we would just, I have one client, two clients just set up here, one just saying sales, one Jim Smith, but then you would go in and click your new client, and then you would just put in all their company information, their address, any notes, say, you know, how much this contract is for. You can add the contract here with add attachment, and that's very helpful. And then how they're going to have to pay, you know, cash, check, credit card, due, you know, however they're going to pay. And then the terms, those could be due on receipt, net 30, net 16, net 15, whatever, you know, you're doing. Don't ever put anything in the opening balance here. Always leave that. If they are tax exempt, be sure and just write that they are tax exempt to remind yourself. It doesn't affect the accounting or anything at this point. I don't want to save that. So that will be your next thing, is whatever customers you have had this year of 2023, or if you're trying to do your income and expenses for 2022, any customers you have for 2022 as well. So this is where you would add that. And then you want to also then go to your expenses and do the same thing with your vendors. And then here you can, anybody that you pay money to, whether it comes just directly out your bank account, you send them online a payment, you send them a check, however, then you can click new vendor and just fill in all the information. If they are a contractor, you want to click track payments for 1099, and you would have them fill out a W-9 and with their federal ID number or social security number. At the end of the year, QuickBooks will walk you through of sending them a 1099 very simply and easily. It's all filed online, and then you see it in your books. So, but anyway, those are the steps to actually set up your QuickBooks Online. Those are very simple steps. It probably won't take you any more than, I would say, an hour at most to set up your basic settings of your QuickBooks Online. And in the future, I'll be going deeper, you know, into each one of these things. but I want you to first get the overview of what we're doing. So if you need to, get your usernames, your passwords for your bank accounts and for your credit cards, that you have all that in front of you as you can set all of this up as I'm going over future videos. Okay, and so once again, I'll go over that with you. You're going to sign up. You're going to connect your bank feed. You're going to go to your accounts and set up, get that process done. You're going to do your chart of accounts. You're going to reorganize your chart of accounts so they look really good. And so they're easy for you to manage. Then you're going to add your customers and you're going to add your vendors. And then you are ready to go. We can start entering information. We can start seeing what our income is, what our expenses is, and it will just all fall together for you. If anyone has any questions, be sure and leave a comment down below, and I will do my best to answer that question for you or lead you in the right direction. And so I just look forward to seeing you next week, where we will just take one of these steps here and do a deep dive into it. That's my favorite thing, is to help you really dive deep into each thing that we're going to do to make it simply and easily for you to do your own accounting and your bookkeeping and grow your business up into the next level where you can hire a part-time bookkeeper. So I hope you have a great day and take care, and I will see you next Wednesday. Thank you. Bye-bye.